letters of the alphabet. F is for flamingo. Flamingos are beautiful and graceful. They are therefore a big attraction in zoos. Flamingos are beautiful and graceful. They are social creatures, living and breeding in large colonies. The flamingo's nest is constructed of mud, small stones, straw, and feathers. In here, chicks are spoilt rotten by their protective mothers. While the mothers are beautiful, the chicks remain white and gray for up to 2 years. It will take up to 85 days before these little ones are able to fly. For the time being, their mothers will keep them fed and warm. A group of flamingos is called a flock, and a flock can consist of thousands of birds moving together. A single bird is quite an easy catch for a happy predator, so they choose to stick together. Safety in numbers, as they say. Watching these birds from a distance is like watching poetry in motion. Every move, every step looks like a dance move as they gracefully walk up and down. These are the supermodels of the wild. Then, who knows why, the whole flock will take off and fly away. These birds live on the southwestern tip of Africa. The place where they live, called their habitat, is usually a large lake or lagoon with few or no plants. Very often, these lakes are what we call soda lakes, which means that ash from volcanoes collected at the bottom of the lake, making the water and everything in it unusable to most animals. So even though these lakes look like paradise, only a few animals have adapted to live here. Standing in shallow water, flamingos lower their necks and tilt their heads slightly upside down to scoop up the fish or algae they love to eat. They may also stamp their feet to stir up food from the muddy bottom of the lake. They have long legs and necks. In fact, they have longer necks and legs in proportion to their body size than any other kind of bird. Listen to this. Flamingos are sometimes called firebirds. You don't have to be a genius to figure out why. The pink or reddish color of a flamingo's feathers, legs, and neck comes from the food they eat. A flamingo has 19 long neck vertebrae, which allow them to move and twist their necks freely.